Namaskar. Hello friends. Welcome to Satya Prakash English Medium School. How are you all? All are fine, right? So today let's start with your favorite subject, general knowledge. And in the general knowledge book, your third chapter, chapter number 3 is Hill Stations of India. मजा आएगा ना इस चैप्टर में? Yes, it's a very interesting chapter and a very interesting topic in this chapter. हिल स्टेशंस ऑफ इंडिया. क्या आपने कभी हिल स्टेशन देखा है कोई? नहीं? ओके, चलो आज हम हिल स्टेशन के बारे में यहाँ पे लर्न करेंगे. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट विथ दिस चैप्टर. ओके, नाउ हिल स्टेशन ऑफ इंडिया. Given below are the popular hill station of India. Write the names of the states they belong to. Here some popular hill station in India. So write the names of the states they belongs to. ये हिल स्टेशन कहाँ से है, इसके जो नेम है वो आप लोगों को लिखने हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट वी स्टार्ट विद दिस चैप्टर. फर्स्ट, द माउंट आबू. माउंट आबू इज अ हिल स्टेशन इन वेस्टर्न इंडियाज राजस्थान स्टेट near the Gujarat border. Set on a high rocky plateau in the Aravalli range and surrounded by the forests, it offers a relatively cool climate and views over the arid plains below. In the center of the town, Nakki Lake is the popular spot for the boating. So Mount Abu is the famous place in the Rajasthan and also near the Gujarat border. So Mount Abu is located in the Rajasthan. Now the second is Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is a hill station in India's forested Western Ghats range, south of Mumbai in Maharashtra. It features several elevated viewing points such as Arthurth Sets. West of here is centuries-old Petepagate Fort. So the Mahabaleshwar is located in the Maharashtra. Next is Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is a famous hill station which is located in the Tamil Nadu. It's a hill town in the southern Indian state. It's seen in area of Grand Clays, forested valleys, lakes, waterfalls and grassy hills. So it's a very famous place of the Tamil Nadu. Next, fourth is Ooty. Ooty is a resort town in the Western Ghats mountains in southern India in the Tamil Nadu states. It's also belongs to the Tamil Nadu. It's also famous hill station of the southern India. Next, fifth is Nainital. Nainital is the Himalayan resort town in the Kumaon region of India in Uttarakhand states. So Nainital is located in the Uttarakhand and it is very famous hill station in the northern India. Sixth is Mussoorie. Mussoorie is the famous hill station also which belongs to from the Uttarakhand. Mussoorie is a hill station and a municipal board in the Dehradun districts of the Indian state of Uttarakhand. It is about 35 kilometers from the state capital of Dehradun and 219 kilometers north of the national capital of the New Delhi. So it is very famous place Mussoorie which belongs to the Uttarakhand. Seventh is the Darjeeling. Darjeeling, it is located in the West Bengal and it is the town in India's West Bengal state in the Himalayan foothills. Once a summer resort for the British Raj, it remains the terminus of the narrow gauge Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. It's also Darjeeling is the very famous place in the West Bengal. Now eighth is the Panchmarhi. Panchmarhi is also very famous place, very hill station famous in which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Panchmari, also known as Satpura Ki Rani, is a hill station in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Next, Simla. Simla is the very famous hill station which belongs to the Himachal Pradesh. Simla is the capital of the northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Once a summer capital of the British India, it remains the terminus of the narrow gauge Kalka-Simla railway. So Simla is located in the Himachal Pradesh. Now next is the Gulmarg. Gulmarg is the town or hill station, a popular skiing destination and a notified area committee which is located in the Jammu and Kashmir. So it's a very famous hill station in Jammu and Kashmir. Now next is Kullu. Kullu is the capital town of the Kullu district in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. It is located on the banks of the Beas River in the Kullu Valley, about 10 kilometers north of the airport in Hunta. So Kullu is located in the Himachal Pradesh. Next is the Pahalgam. Pahalgam is the tourist town and the notified area committee in the Anantnag districts of the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So it is a popular tourist station and hill station from the Jammu and Kashmir. Next is Coonoor. Coonoor is the second largest hill station which is located in the Nilgiri Hills. It is famous for its verdant environs and for a variety of wild flowers and the birds. And Coonoor is located in the Tamil Nadu. It is also famous for the tea plantation and the festivals. Now 14 is the Khandala. Khandala is a hill station in the Western Ghat mountains of the Maharashtra, Western India. So Khandala is the very famous hill station and hill town which is located in the Maharashtra. And now last is the Panchgani. Panchgani is a hill station southeast of Mumbai in India's Maharashtra state. It is known for the tableland and huge volcanic plateau. So Panchgani belongs to the Maharashtra state. So here is the information about the famous hill station and this hill station belongs to which state. So यहाँ पे मैंने आप लोगों को आंसर जो है वो अभी मैं आप लोगों को बोल के बताया है, अभी यहाँ पे मैं लिख के भी आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ. सो आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाए. सो द आंसर इज हियर. फर्स्ट, द माउंट आबू बिलोंग्स टू द राजस्थान स्टेट. सेकंड, महाबलेश्वर बिलोंग्स टू द महाराष्ट्र स्टेट. Then Kodaikanal belongs to the from Tamil Nadu state. Ooty belongs to the also Tamil Nadu state. Nainital belongs to the Uttarakhand. Then Mussoorie is also from Uttarakhand. Darjeeling belongs to the from West Bengal. Then Panchmari belongs to the from Madhya Pradesh. Shimla from the Himachal Pradesh. Gulmarg from the Jammu and Kashmir. Kullu from the Himachal Pradesh. Pahalgam from the Jammu and Kashmir. Coonoor from the Tamil Nadu. And Khandala and Panchgani is also from the Maharashtra. So the answer is here, and it is the information and this chapter related. It's the hill station of India. Now our chapter is finished here. Now today's in HW this chapter write 2 times in your rough book and also write and learn. लिखना ही भी है और लर्न भी करना है. ओके, सो टुडे के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.